SimpliCTI Software Solutions, in partnership with Oracle Right Now, has built connectors to integrate Oracle Right Now CX with the Avaya Contact Center platform. The object of this connector is to provide a pre-integrated solution that establishes the Oracle Right Now desktop application and the media toolbar as the primary user interface for customer interaction. The Right Now connector is available in two versions to meet the full range of customer requirements. Voice CTI enables the telephony controls on the Right Now media toolbar to provide functionality such as click to dial and a Right Now incident screen pop based on Annie, DNIS, or customer entered digits. It's an add-in to the Right Now CX desktop. In addition to all the voice functionality, the Universal Queue option uses the SimpliCTI Application Gateway to provide routing and management of other Right Now media, such as email, chat, and SMS transactions to the agent desktop. With a quick and easy implementation, typically running 3 to 4 weeks and requiring very little professional services, your contact center can be running more efficiently in no time. SimpliCTI provides the experience and support you need to get your contact center CTI enabled in a timely manner. Let's walk through a demonstration of how the connector could be used in your contact center. The first step is to log in by entering your agent ID, password, and extension number. When logged in, the agent is automatically put into the Not Ready state, and agent information is displayed at the top of the toolbar. The agent may now change status from Not Ready to Ready, and at this point the agent is ready to receive calls from the queue. When a customer call comes into the call center and arrives at the agent desktop, the screen will populate with the record that matches the caller ID or the customer entered information. To answer the call, the agent may choose to accept it by either clicking on the Accept button in the pop-up window or by clicking on the Answer icon on the media bar. The screen will also pop if transferred to another agent to save time and prevent having to ask the caller for information again. If a call comes in that has multiple matches, a list of those matches appears on the screen. The agent will select the appropriate record for the calling party and continue the call. Once the agent answers the call, the telephony functions become available, and the agent may end the call, transfer, conference, or place it on hold. When the agent clicks on the transfer or conference bar, it will display a dial pad. He or she can either use the dial pad or type the number into the box above the dial pad. From this point, either a warm or cold transfer can be initiated. Upon completion of the call, specific data about that call is entered automatically into a custom object in Oracle Right Now CX. The adapter also has a click to dial feature. There are two ways to place a call to a customer. The agent can click on the dial icon and a drop-down list will display all phone numbers associated with that record. The agent can click on one of the numbers to launch the call. Or, a dialing box along with a dial pad will come into view where the agent can manually enter the number of the party to be called. Once the called party answers, the agent will have the same phone controls that are available on an inbound call. Let's now take a look at how multimedia transactions can be handled. This shows an example of an email arriving at the desktop. When the agent accepts the email, a new incident will be opened. If it's a reply to a previous email conversation, the original incident tied to the email will open. At this point, the agent may change the status of the ticket, reply to the email, or simply make changes to the ticket and close it. When the email is closed, the agent will automatically return to the ready state and will be placed back at the main window of the Right Now application. The next example is that of an incoming chat arriving at the agent desktop. When the agent accepts the chat, the conversation begins. Much like a voice call, the chat may be conferenced or transferred. The chat conversation will be turned into an incident. When the chat is closed, the agent will automatically return to the ready state and be placed back into the main window of the Right Now application. When the agent needs to remove himself from the ready state, he can click on the drop-down box and a list of reason codes will appear from which to choose. Once the appropriate reason code is selected, the agent state will change to Not Ready. If it's necessary to change the reason code selected, just click on the Change Not Ready code and the list will display again for the selection of a different reason code. This concludes the Oracle Right Now AES Connector demo. For more information about the product, please visit our website at simplicity.com. And thank you for spending time with us today.